Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something a little different. I know I usually do vlogs and that sort of thing, but today we're opening the Jeffree Star Deluxe mystery box. I'm so excited about this. I've been waiting to get one of these for a very long time, and it finally came this morning. So we're going to open it up and you're going to see my first impressions and you're going to see how I feel about this box. So let's get started. All right. Oh boy. Okay, the first thing I'm seeing in here is a hoodie, which I'm so excited about. We have a Jeffree Star Cosmetics hoodie. I'm very excited. When I saw these on his Black Friday sale, I was so ecstatic about it. So, and I am a hoodie junkie. If you know me, you know that. So, that's amazing. I'm seeing some really exciting stuff in here. All right, we have a velour liquid lip in the shade Karma, which I don't know that I've seen. So if I can get this open without completely, nope, destroyed the box. It's fine. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Like, I don't know if you can see that. Holy crap. That's gorgeous. Like, I'm very excited about this. All right, we have another velour liquid lip in the shade Bronze Blood. Oh man. It's like a bronzy, frosty gold. Oh, gorgeous. I keep staring at that Karma liquid lip. Like, there's a Supreme Frost, which I've been wanting one of these for a while, in Caramel Kiss, which may be too dark for my skin tone, but if it is, I'll use it as an eyeshadow. Oh, you guys. Do you see this? Oh man. It's too dark for my face, but I want to put it all over my body. Oh my god. It's a metal straw. And it's candy cane. Oh my gosh, I love that. That is so cute. And it even comes with the little straw cleaner thing, so that you can actually get them clean inside, which is always something I worry about. Oh, looky here. It's the infamous sticker sheet. If you're not familiar with the drama surrounding this little sheet of stickers, I don't want to go into it. I don't care about drama, but there was a whole bunch of drama around this sheet. I love it. I intend to get this one and this one as tattoos. So I will use these, and I like them and I love them, and I love flash art tattoos. So yeah, I don't know what all the drama was. There is, I know what this is. This is the Peppermint Frost highlighter palette. That's was an exclusive to the Deluxe box, and she is, oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to put these all over my face. Gorgeous. And this was a Deluxe box exclusive. Only the Deluxe box had these, and he said they will never come out again. So I'm super excited to have that. And then This, I unintentionally saw a spoiler of what was in this box, or at least one of the potential things in this box. And I have never been able to afford a Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. Guys, the Thirsty palette's in here. This came out over the summer, I think. And, oh, you guys. Oh, you guys. Oh, you guys. Okay, there's a shade in here that perfectly sums up my feelings, which is this one right here, and it's called Bitch. That's how I feel about this palette. Holy crap, it's beautiful. Oh man, I'm super excited. That was the last thing in the box. I'm so excited. I mean, this is like almost $200 worth of Jeffree Star product that I got for $100. It was a Christmas present from my husband, and so we've got the Thirsty palette, to recap, the exclusive Peppermint Frost highlighter palette, a Supreme Frost in Caramel Kiss, 2 velour liquid lipsticks in, what were the shades again? Karma, which is the top one, the glittery one. Bitch. And bronze, what was that called again? Bronze something, I can't remember, but so pretty. And then the sticker sheet, the metal straw, put this stuff down, forgive me, and the hoodie. I mean, this was an amazing box. I am so blown away at what was in here. I'm so excited to use all of it. This was super fun, and this is going to be a really raw video because I was doing it as a first impression unboxing. Also, I'm filming this on my phone, so it's not real flattering. I apologize for that. My background's a little off kilter, but you know, I'm working on all this stuff. This is my first official beauty video on YouTube, so if you could cut me some slack and kind of let me learn as I go, that would be great. I'm planning on making a video here really soon, just to kind of fill you in on who I am, why I'm interested in makeup, why I'm starting YouTube. Like, I plan on making a video really soon, but I wanted to get this Jeffree Star video out as quickly as possible since all the boxes have been going out in the mail. So thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.